This video introduces project managers to projects in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. From the Project Manager Role Center, we'll use the navigation list to see our list of projects. The list shows sample projects, but we'll create a new one. On the project card, Business Central assigns the project number, and we'll enter basic information, like a description. We'll also choose a customer from our list. We'll assign ourselves as the project manager, so our role center will display the project. Now we'll create tasks. Typically, the project task number is part of a number sequence that we define. We'll keep it simple and use 100, 200, and so on. The description lets us add information about the task. We can have a couple of tasks, such as consulting or design services, or a list of many tasks. We'll leave the project task type set to posting, so we can add budget information on a planning line. To add budget information, we'll open the project planning lines window. We enter the project task number, or use the lookup. The line type can be budget or billable or both, depending on the line cost and how we bill a customer. We can also set the planning date and document number. Next, we'll add items and our resources, which are the people who will do the work and the quantity. The cost and price amounts come from the resource or item assigned. We can add as many lines as we need. Back on the project card, tasks show the totals for costs and invoicing in the project details pane, which helps us stay on budget. The posting fast tab is important as well. We should choose a project posting group. We can choose these per project or in the project setup window. The My Projects list on the Project Manager Role Center now shows our project. When we set up other similar projects, we can save time by copying tasks. Let's do that. We choose New Project to start the Create New Project Assisted Setup Guide. Business Central assigns a project number, so we just need to enter a description and customer number. We select the project to copy from, and then specify tasks. We can also leave them blank to copy all tasks. If we want, we can copy quantities and dimensions on the Apply Fast tab, and then click OK to finalize. The tasks are now successfully copied to our brand new project. We can see the tasks we copied from our previous project are there. We can then specify other information based on our new project. Thanks for watching.